beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome to the family. Guys, don't forget to like up the videos, comment more than one time, and turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Today I'm here with my friends. I'm here with Jason and my two friends. By now, you know that. Yeah, this is Swag from the movie. What the movie name again?
Family Feud.
Family Feud. And this is Lindsay. And this is Lindsay from Table Stern Relationships. What the name?
Denzel grandson, man. Big one thing.
And by now, you know him because me and him do one prank when we make him feed me fruits. And my fiance Jason, me and him not nothing because we just done debate and him not accept me win. Today I'll be asking them some questions, not necessarily spicy, but questions that I would really want to know, and I know the females are gonna enjoy this because I'm gonna have fun listening to you, alright? So I want you guys to be truthful, no lies, putting an opinion right here up on the table. Okay?
Me.
No lies.
Okay. Let's get into it. And I'm now going to put my 2 cents in it. This have to do with uno. So if you say something that sit well with me, I'm now going to challenge it now. I'm going to just take on the answer, and then me and my girls in the comment section will.
And even when we go, I'm not going to challenge it.
First question, we're going to start off simple. How do you guys know when it's time to walk away from a relationship?
Start from me.
Lindsay?
Start from me.
The moment you start to get disrespectful. Disrespect is a no-no.
Oh, that's one aspect I say. Really? Okay.
Okay.
So I wrote time.
Well, from me not get the energy when me don't require. Basically, she not push out the effort. Like me not get that effort, they not give me back. In a sense.
So right now we're not together. Him and him boys them a chat.
Alright,
Yeah.
so when do you think is the right time to leave a relationship? There's no one answer thing. I think, you know, you have a, let me say some aspects.
Aspects, different side.
I agree with the disrespect part and the energy part. I think when they must say kind of title the Lord I say big one thing.
Babe?
Oh, Angel. Angel. So alright, so it's like when you say energy, if me can like directly sense it, there's no love. We still tie to energy. And we say disrespectful because, for example, there are certain things which a person have argue and say. But there are certain things when you say them things that you know say the person cross the line. Things like when I know say I really can't trust you. It's like flat line I can't trust you. Because you know in a relationship you have times you feel like you don't trust and move there you feel just because. But when you're literally in a relationship and you say there is no trust, you just you have to just let it. You understand? And if you really say if you're not extra toxic, like toxic to the point where there is no peace. Once there is no peace, we both on like gonna irritate each other, like every time we see each other, leave because it can transpire to something even worse than just breaking up.
Right.
See yourself before you get damaged.
Yeah, that too.
Okay. What do you look for in a girl?
Find already.
Mine.
That camera.
I don't know you. Now that's the
Yeah, boys in there.
Yeah, I'm a
Yeah,
cheater.
boys them.
Yo, a fat boom boom. And a big body. I see if you press. Hold on, it should just get nicer. I see if your body flat. You have to take someone looking at your back them place. Come you have to stop something. No, if your back.
Personality.
Personality. Personality. No. It's with me, you know. I just not like negativity. I love when you can be me light in a certain situation. I love when you can match my energy. My energy usually high. And if you low, I love if you can bounce on you. You know you can bounce on me because I always have there. So I say, so personality more to know say you have that energy the way. It just breathe productivity and positivity and them little thing there and can bring around my friends them, can bring around my people them. You know want to be a lady for I want to be a free. or a bad girl or whatever they call it.
What do you want?
Especially about
Yes, me I say, personally, let me see what going on now. Me personally love when a girl really can compose themselves to me. You see, me I go there with a girl who can communicate with. Okay, it don't make sense me start with it because me love, like them, me as a man, me love them like interest in communication and conversation. And them things that me sit down and say, Bomba, the girl that makes deep. A girl can chat with them things there. Yes, but if I say a brain build like one of them Nokia 33, then you see me? No, it's no, that's a fridge. That's a big back fridge.
You see me?
Yes, you can't need
the
it.
more the thing can like relate and have common ground to certain things.
Talk a bit.
The more the relate and have common ground to certain things.
Mm.
One of the best feelings ever. Communication, strong. Right, true.
Yeah.
Same thing, you agree?
Yeah, I agree fully, man. But what do you look for in a girl?
Personally.
Personally. One chance cheap, we go in there.
Yeah.
Once you're not
Once
cheap.
it-
No, she treat you good.
Oh, once you treat
yeah,
them
once
good.
yeah, once she did it for me and everything, you see me? Yeah, man.
Yeah. Physical appearance.
No, me not have to repeat my plans.
Is it a case where she have to have a certain look?
That happened as a banana specific.
No, me not specific. Yeah, like, it does look alright.
Everybody has their type. Everybody have a type.
Have a preference.
Have a
Preference. So I mean, like, you know, like, you
I-
can choose them too, yeah.
I would prefer my woman with a lot of
Curve.
curve.
He said women. How much women you have as a guy that?
No, like you understand me.
Woman.
Generalizing.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
As a guy that.
Yeah. But my individual preference
Mhm.
of a woman
Mm-hmm.
is curves.
Oh,
I love
curves.
a girl with curves. I love them.
Hips.
And them have thick.
Oh, you love
That's
things
my
like
preference.
plywood and
You understand? Me not go for looks. Me not go for material things. So once you're good inside and whatever,
Yeah.
me move from my preference a little bit. But I prefer my girl them with a lot of weight.
Okay. What about you?
Banana.
Oh,
Energy,
those ones
right?
are energy, right?
Energy, right.
What about you? Well, I said it earlier.
Let me say it back. Me there joke and yes, my clients just kind of joke, but also there are certain little things I look for because it teach me how you carry yourself and how it will be between me and if me pursue you seriously. Like me as a man, me used to play ball and them things. I told them alright, but if me look on your two of them and it's like I feel disgusted when I do that.
Yes.
Yeah, just and I like.
You see, you need
Oh,
to
me
look.
don't know him.
You need to look like you are a woman.
Yeah, woman look like woman.
Yes, me I say.
Definitely.
The most important thing in preference to hygiene.
IG, that is something I'm going to
I say, I
hygiene.
love a girl who can clean
I love
and
girls
smell good.
Yeah, man, smell.
Yes, man,
Bro,
you know.
smell will have you just up in your business every day, bro. Just
For no reason.
It's just don't look a smell you.
That's for real.
can't wait to me have a girl.
Yeah.
Can't wait to me have a girl can
Yo,
smell.
Brother, you just go to the whole lot. You just
Yeah, bro. Yeah,
Yo,
man.
smell good. Love a good smell. You know what
No,
I mean?
man, free. It's IG, bro.
IG,
bro.
After
Come here, always say this.
Use
Smell upon a
fucking
girl.
words for me.
Yeah, smell upon a girl. I'm doing my person, or my personally look upon a girl, I see a girl. If I see a girl, will catch me eye. Normally, the first thing will catch me are the booty. If not the booty, the breast, them, and then we start look upon them head, them lip. Ladies really love to put on toenail and all them things. I don't know about that. No, I don't know about that, but here what my thing is. A girl can put on toenail and he toe them not stay good enough. Like, when I talk about you if you toe them mash up because of physical injuries, I talk about you look like say you do farming.
Yeah.
It's like you do the real farming with the hard boot and them thing. Like, I don't like them thing, bro. You see, if I'm not physically you did damage, you can't do it because it show me say you take care of yourself, you know.
Yeah.
Because really and truly, you know, woman really wear slippers sometimes, though. So if you look at a girl when you say, boom, like you can plant can down there, so. You can plant a piece of yam down there, bro. I make it a different type of way. So, and then the reason I made it, so it's not because of beauty, me really run it, I show me say, that girl, they have to deal with herself, so. What's the me? What's the house we live in? If me I take it seriously. Is what me I say?
At the same time, I don't have a problem with women wearing their makeup and all that. But for me, a preference if them can do it more often, it just be natural.
Oh.
It's a natural.
Natural makeup like
Yo, you know me
Look
no
at
mind.
that. You see the bag of cake up thing, but I like.
Yeah, that.
Yeah,
Yo, me no busy about this, you know, but this
Yes,
is.
you know, that, alright,
Yeah,
yeah,
what-
this is like
yeah,
an
what-
island.
like that.
Here what the
Yes,
issue
yes,
now.
it is.
Me like a girl when our mindset stronger than emo to look.
Yeah,
You see me I say, so you see, alright, we date a girl we do the makeup and ears and everything, me not care. But you see, if you make it pre like say, boy, you can't even go outside without it. That means say you just a rely upon it like you are telling me say you're not beautiful enough, you know. So you see,
Low self-
low- No, we can't do that one.
We have two
Two
different
different
ways.
yeah. And another way they want it.
You see me, that way
No, another way they want it.
As Mr. Manako, he made 2 cents. Move on.
A bucket radio in your bum still.
What do you think about splitting bills 50-50?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Alright,
It's supposed to go still, but
as me say,
Yeah, as a man, because
Go
there's a
on.
difference between a man and a man.
yeah.
As a man,
Mindset.
okay.
Mindset. A majority people are the most play at it. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, me tell you. You know what I say?
If you're in a case where when I work together, there's nothing wrong with
There,
it.
no, let me tell you, in a serious relationship, there's a difference between in a serious relationship. You're gonna be, if you're serious, there are gonna be things you're gonna sit down and talk about. You're gonna come to some reasoning. You're gonna say, alright, then B, me I'll take this, you take this. I don't think this would be an issue if a person say, alright, then take that bill then G and you take that bill. There's nothing. But as a man, I feel like as a man, even for now, split it 50-50, we should, or even if or not, we should always be ready for shoulder more. So as a man, never make him be say, boy, it be 50-50 all the time. Make him be say, boy, if a woman can't find it, you can do it.
You can do it.
Then they make you feel better
Yeah,
as a man.
Yeah.
It make you feel better and
Yeah,
look better as a
very,
man.
very,
I remember
very
as a man, a man is naturally, or should naturally be, a provider.
Exactly.
Yes, I mean, no, it don't mean say-
women are nurtured.
Nurture, so you know, mean say, boy, 100% me have to provide. No, but naturally you should have that inside of. Meaning say you're ready to take up what is left. Because really and truly, you know, what me learn from being with girls, women love money and I live, you know, but me don't want to sit in the way for them feel like, you don't love money, no, them love to have them little money. That me mean. But guess what? You didn't know, so me learn, say, when a woman have to spend the money and they see that go down, them don't love that feeling there. Nobody still know about this, when a woman money and go down and like they start to Jesus Christ, ray, isn't it?
It's like the word that ends.
The word that ends. So you as a man now, you have to know, so you have sometimes say, no man, I'm going to front that one, I'm going to deal with that bill. And as a man, I tell you, I can't tell any man, for your self-esteem, as a man, it's good when you know say you have the capacity, can do it.
Responsibility.
You know, so it's like, even if you have a girl, she have deal with the 50-50, know say, at any time she can call upon you, you have to say, no man, baby, can do it. Because as a man, bro, you know, if you step up, open for attacks, you know, look weak, and as a man, if you feel like you're weak, you have to start act weak, you know.
Definitely.
You see me I say? Yeah man, you want to have that thing there. You're not happy can use it, but you're supposed to be capable. You see me I say? But for really and truly, bill splitting, I not to call it bill splitting, it's just that me I say, be, you know? Alright, you take that one, you can manage that one now?
Yeah.
Alright, cool, and I take that one there.
Yeah.
You see me? Me personally, me will try to front the heavier one still, because I saw my mindset still. Because you know, there will never be a one that will come and say me what this. That's just for me thing. You see me? So me ever say, oh, give me the bigger one then, alright. But take one, because we in our relationship, meaning partnership. That's why I keep on saying serious relationship. See style. Yeah.
Everybody?
Not friends. No, I make sure.
Yeah, everybody. So everybody agree
Yeah,
on whatever?
Nobody can hurt, man.
Who should pay on the first date?
Somebody will go bring up the date. And that
Yeah,
say,
like CFD.
no, if a girl says she bring me up on a date, you pay. No, bro, bro, if a girl say, no, swag. If a girl say, swag, you know, say, wait there. You know, hold on, bro, hold on. A girl say, swag, you say, where are they? You say, yeah, they home. Yeah, man, where are you today? No, I don't be. You know, so feel like I bring you go somewhere on a little date.
Yeah.
Oh, you say, be alright then. We are going to tell you. And you go. And you go pay? No.
Let me tell you what you
First thing
said.
you don't open pocket.
You know,
You see me?
remember you say, if the words were said that babe, want to bring our swap, want to bring your pan a date.
Yeah, so you give me a
It means say you want to bring me.
Yeah.
Even if me can't drive, I don't drive, me will drive, you know, but you talk about you bring me.
I agree.
You know.
What?
Mm-hmm.
I can't vex money.
No.
Yeah.
No, hold on. At this point in time, you don't feel like people have to say it, bro. You need to bring it. What the hell?
Yeah.
And at the same time, if you say, oh, call me, call not on my yard, come bring me for a date.
No, you have to.
You have to pay for
So
it.
who bring it up?
Understand?
Who bring it?
If
Who
it's a
bring it
case
up?
where you
Yeah,
fall
agree.
short on the bill while paying it, no problem.
And yeah, if you fall
You
short.
always say, yo, are the money could pay it still, you know?
No, let me tell you, if you say, yeah, bring me, you know, and like a girl say, I want to go on a date, that's different, because you have an optional if you like say, yo, I want to make this happen. But if a girl say, babe, me, I bring you. You if you just, if you have to get next money or a little change,
There's
carry as a man,
There's a difference between
yeah, bring you.
I want to go on a date and let's go on a date
Yeah.
and me I'm gonna bring you on a date.
Yeah.
You I take care of
Me. You see me? Yeah.
Alright. I made a mistake. Is jealousy healthy in a relationship?
No.
Depends. Because jealousy can be a good
Yeah.
I love my questions.
Yo, let me tell you.
thing.
Alright, wait.
Yeah, you want to go first?
Yes, it depends.
Yeah,
Why?
Why you have a cause?
No,
Why?
I feel like so I have to say something.
Alright.
Wait, calm
You get a
down.
partner like successful. I go jealous of that because I want to be like she. I want to be successful.
Oh, that jealous fear, that jealous fear, yeah.
Jealous.
Oh, yeah, jealous
and
jealous.
Yeah,
No,
jealous because I want. Where that's it now?
As them say jealousy, I love and hate at the same
Yeah,
time.
jealous in a good way. Because me I say, oh,
Yeah.
me and this
No, it's a bad
me
thing.
and a bad mind. You get
No,
what I'm
they're
saying?
inspired and
Yeah, but you're motivated
but
by
alright,
it.
you're asking at the
You
sense.
have to like love wise.
Love wise.
Oh, man.
It has to do with maturity.
Yeah,
Maturity.
on a level.
On a level.
Because it depends for how much.
how
If it's
much?
too much, probably we're going to get annoyed.
And you have some
And if you know too much, we still have to feel like
That's
we left
okay,
it.
but
So
I-
depends on
your
your balance.
preference.
Now,
So you're saying that it's okay, but to a certain extent.
yeah.
and
Like, when I see no jealousy, I go say, yo, you know what? You get to me and say,
that.
you get to me and say that about
Yeah,
this
yeah.
and
Here,
so you have just
here.
balance it.
and it shows that you care for a
But say, as a man, the question say, as a man or in general?
In general.
Alright, for me, I think it's cute when it happen. You know, to be overbearing. It cause me get cussed enough times say, you know, to call and check on one man there look me and I say, what female I think that, but I guess them want to see that jealousy them ladies loves when you're kinda jealous. Because they want to say, oh you care or you don't care or anything there. Me in general is not a jealous person because I think me understanding and it's good for me have somebody who understand them and not fear bust my brain. I mean not go bust my brain past or anything.
It's still maturity.
Yeah, maturity. You see me I say, bro, so really and truly, you know matter if anyone that we want jealous, whether me or you, I'm not that person there, but if once you know overbearing is good. Because jealousy can't be like, yo, you're there on your phone and you have to be there to talk to a girl. Or you're there on the road and you call and answer and you have to be there. You know, you can't do them stuff. Yeah, me can't deal with that, like overbearing. So, for me, it's like, you know, me not gonna be that person that if you come out, it could say come out, because it shows me actually care. Yes, what I say, but most time I'm not that person. I'm that person.
Same answer.
Oh, answer already.
Alright, next question. Is lying ever okay?
Lying.
So, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
No, yeah, man.
Okay.
You know good, but it, yeah.
Comfortable.
Alright, so
Yeah.
we're gonna make one at a
You know,
time.
okay with the
What you
Yes,
say?
it's not good, but
Wait,
yeah.
give me a chance. What you say?
You know good, but the comforting.
Lying.
Comforting?
Yeah.
Lying.
So it's okay?
No, it's
Lying.
not okay.
That's what I
That's
asked,
not
it's not okay.
No, it's not okay for me, but
No.
it's comforting.
Is it lying?
I wish I could
Yeah.
live in that world where nobody now.
It depends, cause like, depends for who. Like if we have to like, I have never tell me like.
It don't matter, you are your woman. Is it okay in a
We are like
relationship?
each other.
Yeah.
You are lying to protect them feelings.
Is
That's what I'm
lying
saying.
ever okay in a relationship?
All the women do that, you know.
No,
Alright.
No,
that's
it's
it.
lying.
Alright, no, he said-
No, wait,
Alright.
just say something. Pick up our way, just say my friend.
Oh, yeah, we
Yeah,
are
based on the advice of your lawyer,
Yeah.
just shut him up. No, sir.
He said something and I want him to continue.
No, I have a reason why I say I'm bloody honest. But there are times when I know some honesty, it have a bloody more than how it actually comfort.
Yeah.
That's when I say, meaning say, boy, right at this moment, I need to tell you say you're being despicable. And that's the best pretty word I can find. I can't find an ugly word. But now I use some B word and then thing. At this moment, I need to tell you say, my girl, you not move right. But you are just because you want the thing to level out. Sometimes you just get things time to you. And like you know, just say you want to, everything good, man. Because really and truly, enough girl don't know this when a man say everything good, man. Enough, I lie that enough time, you know. You and a man just don't argue, and you don't cuss out him right. Everything good, man. Bro, we're not telling the truth. But at the same time, me think
That's
say,
just a white lie.
Yes, the battery died. Have you guys ever cheated on someone before? If yes, why did you do it and do you regret it?
Remember somebody did cheat and me cheat back. I'm never feeling way after car. Thief from thief God laugh. You remember that one?
Yeah.
Wait, did you regret it?
No, we said thief from thief God laugh, so we never get it.
Okay.
So I pay back.
Yeah.
But when I get to low to only quiet. Yeah, man say.
Yeah, me cheated already.
Mhm.
I've cheated already on somebody.
Why?
Why?
Yeah.
Immaturity and I didn't want to knock back that person. I just greed. I never
Greed.
Greed. It was greed.
Did you regret it?
Yes, I did.
Okay.
Because when
Yeah. Cheat from girlfriend, man. Lie, your girlfriend, do it. Regret it, man.
Ex-girlfriend or girlfriend?
Current, no, man, ex-girlfriend.
Okay.
Ex-girlfriend.
Mhm.
ex-girlfriend.
Cheat on her, man. Why? I think one of my ex them, I don't know what that she believe me back and think. I think I never did have sex with a girl, when it really do look, when it really me, you want to have sex with her, so it come.
Alright.
That's everything.
Yes, you mash up the whole thing, bro. I'm regretting the freak.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, so there's a follow-up question to it. Based on the answer, why just never leave before you did have it? Like, you're in a relationship, something happened where push you to cheat, why you just never walk away before you did cheat?
Well, in this sense, it was just there. It was right in front of me. The situation where it's not like saying me that prolong it or me talk to somebody, go there, look the person and I talk to them and then cheat. I just go out one night and have a good time. And you know, in the mood, in the feeling, you just see something you want to knock something and somebody where it did knock you long time.
Yeah.
So it's just like, you see me?
Yeah.
So that's the reason.
Well, we never left my girl because we did love her, we never want to leave her, tell you the truth.
You just cheat
So
on
That
her.
shows enough man cheat not because of them catch feelings, they just cheat
As
because.
me say, we don't see that try to prove a point, say we could have been that piece of girl and go.
Mm.
Why the whole out?
Ah,
You see me?
I know it was no attachment.
You see me? No, me and her left long time and then she go get her youth and them things.
Or do you like it when a girl makes the first move?
Doesn't matter for me.
Yeah,
That girl like first move?
Shit turn me on, man.
No, I
So you
think
say turn me on
it
still.
always have to be them first.
No, but
Not
you see that-
always,
No,
but
but see, I like
why
it.
you
So
take on
if
it?
a girl make the first move, it show me say actually really rate me, or cause sometimes them enough girl really like you know, but them really say, you have to push first. So let's say
Most
probably
majority.
yeah. So let's say them come out with that means that girl that really want to show you say yo,
Even
wow,
majority, come on.
come on. So that's why you know me I can say boy,
Yeah,
you know what?
Woman like me, step to me and tell me say like.
But it won't imagine it won't still pray the same thing.
Same thing. Nobody knows.
That's why we say no matter if it happens, you be like, whoa, you really a push for your one mama, big up yourself.
But me like when girls step to me.
Yes, and me will push too.
More you know, more you tell me say, you want me, and you're saying for me.
Bro,
Bro,
You see me?
I let everyone ever say after that, bro, I'm afraid.
You see me? You see me dog?
man them.
Man them,
Look the confidence. You see me?
public
She
dude.
well flamboyant.
Swaggy daddy, baby daddy.
Daddy.
Anyways, lights on or lights off when doing it. Why?
It don't matter to me.
It doesn't matter, but if it's like the first
Me like
part of things, I need to see what I'm
Yeah,
doing.
man, we need to. Yeah.
If first part of things, we need to see what I'm doing. Lights on and
In
off.
the probation period,
Yeah, the
of
probation, yeah.
3 to 6 months prior to a year,
Hmm.
lights off on, we need to show me.
I need to know, and if you ever get too persistent,
And
if you
then,
ever get too persistent with it being off when we just meet you, red flag.
yeah.
I mean, this is the way I want to say, red flag.
And then later
Up it off,
in the
ready.
relationship talking, I'm just feel I say, you know, I'm tired. We need to see what I'm going to be more joyful. Like,
Yeah, that too. But the
Well,
real
for me, it
truly,
depends on the girl, what shoe you want. You get what I'm saying?
Huh?
Because most girls shine, so they want the lights off, you see me?
so
Aww.
you say that what lights off first time meeting?
It don't matter. But me check, we do my check.
You look a check.
Yeah, I do my check first.
Yo, man, I'm not clear.
No, I like to check post. I'm check post.
Yeah, check post in the like. No, I don't mean
Why you want to come like? You see me? Why you want to come like?
No, I don't mean check post.
I understand you're shy.
No, so that's an absolute. That's why I said that the whole party before we start now.
Yeah.
We get to ask bro.
Yeah, man, but most
Yeah, check post and yeah.
Yo,
I'm gonna check.
Yo, let me say to be honest, man. I like me at it. I'm gonna check post now. But just go with this.
Boom.
Stop it.
And you know what? Hey, JD. Hey, you just Yo. What am I doing him? A Rambo
Colombo.
But you saying that you cover the willy, right?
Yeah, man. I never heard them. They don't shot. None of them. None.
Nomatic.
Never.
Alright.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, I'm gonna ask this because I would really want to know. What do you want to do when you retire?
Like,
What you would have called the ideal life after retirement?
I never sit down and well.
See down with my grandkids them and have multiple business. So it's like a legacy. Basically.
Yeah, we like the word.
Up on the front. Watch it. See them. Watch it. See them up on the front of the balcony and look for it. And decide which part we want to visa.
Yo,
Anyway, get them
we like to mix with the legacy thing. I feel a legacy.
Legacy, man. Definitely, man. Definitely, man.
Also, I feel like if I like our relationship questions, me and my girl.
Yeah, I'm glad
Yeah, them can't.
them have a beat, so them have a
Yeah, glad you can't do that, but it have to entail to say me and my girl for those there both.
Yeah.
We reach retirement now, easy to have time now, enjoy me some more now. You see me I say?
So I reach retirement.
Travel is the most ideal.
Come on. Travel. Everywhere we want.
What is what say? Ibiza, you know why Ibiza?
Yeah.
To travel, I'm coming back home to my legacy and generation.
That's cool.
I suppose you can sit down with my grandparents.
Yeah.
You know,
Isn't
back
it?
in the day, you know,
That
my
is
uncle.
They know say Uncle Ray is a family like
Yeah.
story. They know. Full of story like a Harry Potter. No, we have a lead. No lead.
I personally wanted to answer that question one way. I've never asked that question.
It's funny.
You know,
You know this some
there's
face
no
they
way
look.
at all.
Ladies, check into this. Instead of asking man, you love me, ask them question they too.
See,
It make my face change like
don't be
literally.
shy.
No, babe. I want it for relationship. Go for like we always find a little gap down and know each other
Yeah.
somewhere. But really and truly, me never. I always sit down and see myself I do the hard work process and the smart work and going through the strides and fit the camera. But I never sit down and say, like, I know say, we have alright, but what about what we really have to do them time? I really want to just sit down and when Grand Pit DJ, I'm spitting on DJ, I say, I'm here, you know, what is slide up on we here and I move from here, so go we out, boy. I'm just say, remember the time you used to have to go on phone and they work on camera, I'm here, so now, you see, I'm now fully, you know, I say, they put on your phone, as a matter of fact, your phone I water. You can buy a new iPhone 45 when you come back.
You don't gotta live the best life, but not the stress life.
This is a different
Probably because it's the dream for your body,
The weirdest thing what turns me on to a woman is when a woman admits when she's wrong. You find a very few women that all them admit when
I'm
they're
going
wrong.
to have a
So
question.
when a woman admit them wrong to me, I'm like, yes,
What?
I know what you do.
Before we forget, ladies, if you part 2, want to know, wait a minute, because we want to have some questions. No, we need some girls for the panel. We need some girls for the panel to make we deal with them proper. Yeah, man, you want girls for
So I guess I can get part 2 on Jason's channel.
Maybe.
Okay.
And so we as men, as a man, the woman need to understand this. We can look on a woman and know if we want to marry them
Facts.
and marry them
Facts.
from just
Bro.
first
Bro.
look and the mean.
Bro, from your 15 I say this. I say this unconditionally. I never take my brother. A man will not. I have some bridges will say, no man will not like anything, but we not talk to them idiot for them. A man will not anything, but you see a man now, wife, anything.
Anything.
So we not change the stance.
We can know if we
Man,
want you.
Yes,
we are needing our life.
And our wife of anything.
No. We fuck anything, man.
No, that's alright. I'll be.
But
Yeah.
we're not our wife everything. You have to have a specific category.
We have standards.
Standards, man, I don't know, so I have it still.
I want to know why.
Why we have standards?
Yes, we want to
You
know.
want
You know, there's a trick question to that though.
Yeah.
What is it?
That is, the older you get, it starts a different woman. You start,
It starts in one different.
Differently?
Exactly. Like when
Yeah.
you're 20, you know.
Yeah, we are 20,
see
we want to see them the short up on them thing, but
When
we
you're
are
30,
30
you
to
want
us.
to see the same woman we are.
This remember that question because the argument didn't want to go there.
And they have a bond together really.
And you have to have a particular mindset.
Yeah.
Bro,
Business mindset.
bro, literally. And when they say why, literally here the thing go. And I thought woman put the value on them pum pum. And I thought one of the worst mistakes we see every woman do. The value of the pum pum because pum pum they everywhere. Anywhere in the world you can find it everywhere, it decreases in value. That's why you just see gold everywhere, bro. You see what I say? So you put the reason why I say a man can't knock anything, but not wife everything, because a woman with the characteristics and the qualities of a wife, it's not everywhere.
Exactly.
I'm nobody thinks me talk about the slavery thing, bro. Wash, cook and clean, bro. We even have a sense, bro. And everyone can even have a sense, bro. And everyone can have a sensible conversation. And everyone can, like when you did say, why we not just say, right? How much woman can go and say, babe, I disagree with this, and this is why. I'm going to tell you, and I say, babe, please look into what me I say. And you look into what me I say. And you understand, you know, finger shade, and you throw a tantrum.
And you say,
okay, babe,
I
I understand.
That's
How
it.
much? How much? You say you put up in hand. Let me tell you, bro. You have to understand body gestures. Every man pray for this, bro. Your body gestures can't lie. Literally, men would have prayed for this, bro. That's the thing. So here you
A
are.
woman have that.
Which one have vagina? They everywhere. So literally, pum pum this, pum pum that, yeah, pum pum this and all of that. That's why we make mess up on my life. So sometimes we need to normalize getting the sex out of the way first. Because really and truly, I way up I'm really there for if me I pray seriously, you know. But the sex always will come up and down. One line play straight naturally. That's what I say. So really and truly, why you up, yeah, pum pum fat, yeah, and what? You see me I say, and you know like the wet ass, every time it wets out, why with the pum pum, my girl? Yes, what I say, bro. Miss me when them bass there, bro. If me a pray a serious thing, miss me when them bass, because that don't turn me on. Me hear me one who said fat, but
Pick me days in the
either be like, tell me about yourself. You know, my pum pum fat, yeah, and what?
What else you have to contribute? One person. Yeah, check one person.
No, let me tell you what it is. That's why I blame some man too. Not just some, I blame a lot of men because we make it look like we don't have standards.
Yeah.
Hear the trouble now. Hear the trouble now.
Yeah.
If you
What about story too?
no, what your style now? When you have to deliver yourself to a woman, you know, the woman want to know where you come with it. You know? And if you are a woman and you in a conversation and you tell her, say, well, me would big, what that ever do for them?
No.
Never do nothing. So why we so fool and dumb? And even if you are telling me see your pum pum this and that, me if find out. Because you cannot tell me see your pum pum fat and it feel good in India when me going and me feel like I'm jumping at the Grand Canyon. It can be like that.
Hello.
Yes, what I say. So that's why I tell you, bro, them things don't matter. And probably know as well, you say, bro, me I get older, so I really I see card. Back in the day, see me I see called pum pum, but at the end of the day, I wasn't trying to wife nobody back in the day. So it never really mattered either.
Right.
Yeah, but it matter now when you're free. Bro, literally, with the age, everything on social media, everything else so fast, really and truly. You will hear them say man wicked and right, but man really want to settle down, yes, at the end of the day. But at the end of the day, it's not always, well, enough woman feel like say, man never want to settle down. Yeah, you have someone who really want to settle, but you have someone who really, you have to convince them to settle down. That means say your word of your mouth. That means say, baby, make a loyal. Show me you're loyal.
Show me the action.
You want to be a wife, show me say you can be a wife.
Yeah.
You see what I say? You say,
Give me a reason
you're honest,
to wife.
and you're ambitious. Show me say you're ambitious. You understand what I say? Because really and truly, we don't think the day come, I probably start already still, where women start bending up on you and married man. It's rare. So really and truly, we are going to make that step there, don't we? So the thing is now, you sit down now and I say, we don't know what, no, we want somebody, but we don't want anybody to be married because really and truly, men value peace, you know. A man knows say, when you come link me, you can go a yard after. But when me put you on my house as wife, me have to go deal with you. And the reason why enough times you see some man sit down in some corner are always out in them front of her, because we don't want to feel confined into one space where you feel that intensity, that pressure there. You just feel like the boy under bandage. You don't like feel away there. A man, listen, a man will stay in the house, literally, dip on him phone or dip on him game or whatever, easy. In the environment, as long as he's a man cool. The man with the out the door every day and really not a reason for out there, that's something I run from. If him not work, as I say, reason for out. If him not work and you're outside every day, the woman there, so you have a reason why you're out there. Your home and your peace. Really and truly, the reason I say man like this because when arguments come up, different from some woman lashes man, we don't own them, they're real. Yes, I say, really and truly, if and you can support it with arguments. When you're not man to argue, ladies, most time we say everything good. Everything good is a way to squash down anything, bro. When I say everything good because we stop it, everything good man be. All good man be. You know, I left it alone man be. Bro, we want peace. And the peace we try to get to, you know, but we don't say that. We don't want to communicate, bro. We don't want to communicate with you, but Mr. Sammy cannot communicate with you.
There's a barrier.
There's a barrier because if you say B, A is A, and you say no B is B because you use yes so. Yes so no use to think, bro. Yes it's a heart, it used to pump blood and all of that run your body. This is your brain. It's on your top for a reason. You should use it first when you are going to make statements, you do something. And really and truly, as I said with the truth question, if men could have really be honest with women,
We don't know woman.
no, that's what I'm going to say. No man wouldn't have no man because imagine you have to tell a girl, so my girl is a B-I-T-C-H, you know?
We not no woman.
Yeah, everybody have them flaws.
Now, me was in the comments, people are saying you don't feel lie, but really and truly, there are lies that you have to tell. Or, you have to tell you this because guess what, you want to feel, you want.
good, yeah.
Alright, you have to have a day as a woman, and listen to this now, because they want to put it as a way where them say it's subjective or, you know, you need to do this. Compliments can be lies too, you know, because you can get up on your worst day where baby, you look the worst on today, you know, but me still have to tell you, say, baby, you look good, because I want compliment and more esteem to up, but I am still lying. So why should it be say, oh man lie when everything you know. Man only lie when it not benefit, you know. Everything now, a woman always believe the man say, baby, you're beautiful, you know. But if a man say, baby, not cheat, why you can't believe that? You don't want to believe that because you just believe say every man cheat. But you have to believe say every man will tell you say, no, two man, no, me compliment women before me know that they're not beautiful and BBC. But you have to tell them that. Because me know what my end goal is. But here what, no man never tell me say, no, me not look good. Even if they run it as joke, if me did say, really not look good.
Yeah.
Me would get no further.
Yeah, man. Yeah, they say to that stuff.
Yes, I say, so really and truly, me always just say, yo, ladies, we need to can communicate with women. We need to, like, men out there want to communicate.
Yeah, straight.
Yo, me a virgin we call me days for days and it's like, me feel the burden and me the madness. Because he must say, dog, oh, me can tell you this and you listen to me as my friend, but me I say, bro, I don't know. And you choose a woman, bro. Yes, me I say, because
you have to know your woman, bro.
Yes, let me tell you, this answer the first question, I think. If as a man, you see say, you can't talk to your woman, then you should leave. Because it means that if my sister really have to sit down and have to lie to you every time, then you should leave. If every time I talk to you, you have an argument with me, then you have to leave then. You see what I say? If everything I going to be met with bag of nice and emotions and bag of this and bag of that and fear and but we can't talk to you, meaning say as a man I have no worth here because enough woman don't know say the reason why enough man no business and left. You see anytime a man doesn't feel like a man, you see anytime a man feel like same worth, it's because it's easy to make you feel so, you know.
Yeah.
Anytime a man, me tell you, every man want to know say, yo, me govern my thing, you know. And we ego that. Just like when we want self-esteem, we have ego. Ego no must mean say it's a bad thing. Ego meaning say, boy, as I shut out the street, a man can see me and a woman and say, boy, I love how them pray and they have govern thing, you know. She listen to him and him listen to her. Kind of mean, so we don't listen to him, you know. But as a man, when you're there with a girl and it make you feel small, that's why I said even the thing I talk about pay. That's why I tell you anything I can't remember. You know. Paying on the dates and having all the bills them like. As a man, you want to feel like you can do it because guess what? You don't want to feel less of a man. And anytime you start feel less of a man, you start lose. And you have a woman who will exploit that. You have a woman who will exploit that. The moment you feel like you can't do something, you have a woman who will exploit it for that. Woman will post it on media, woman will disrespect you and say this and call.
You wake up one morning and find yourself palm.
Yes, what I say?
For a reason.
So then ladies, when we ask for the question, is it really say, are we at the problem all the while? Or really we both we have a problem?
Both.
Because we can't have a problem all the while. It's vice versa.
Yeah.
You understand? Because woman will say, oh, man always cheat, man a cheat, and man lie. Who don't lie too?
Cheat too.
And when they say man a cheat, who we cheat with? And who man we cheat with? As some alien, no, man always a cheat, but who we cheat with? Alien?
Yeah, looks up.
Yes, man. So that's why anytime I reason people and they make them statement, I don't talk to them because I say them already gone in a certain pathway. We can't bring them back because they don't really come to me with logics and facts. Every man cheat, no. People cheat, yeah. Woman cheat, man cheat. Woman jealous, man jealous. You understand what I say? Man lie, woman lie.
You see, one thing I think a woman to instill in himself is be able to take command from them, man.
I know if you sit out too.
Understand, learn to sit out.
Because we can do that too, you know.
Understand. See, patience, when a man say, okay, just give me some time, just give me meaning. Give me some time for me think as a man. You're supposed to be able to take that as a woman and say, alright, babe, give you time. Whatever you need,
Yeah, man.
here. You have enough women who can't do that, man. It's like the moment you up me more, it's like the automatic barrier.
Yeah,
She not
she not hear you.
She not listen to talk, but
What question you wish more people asked to you
As a man.
or less?
Well, my girl asked me that question, I'm glad she asked me. I wish other girls ask more man this. Are you okay? And when they say it, you know what I mean, like, you know what I mean?
I'm,
like a typical
no, wait.
No.
Let me
Are you
answer the
okay?
question. Wait, stick up in.
Mm.
In general,
Are you okay?
Okay,
Because no
which
people,
question?
yo dog, where are you? Let me this or give me this or though. Are you good, bro?
I'm
Are you
okay.
okay?
question, ask more.
When me link, you know, I say to the dog, I'm good.
Yeah.
Check.
I mean, I said 50 times. Yeah, remember what I said, bro, you're good.
what you say?
I don't know that.
Which
Yeah,
question I
man,
wish
man.
somebody would have
Yes.
asked you more?
Not swap nothing,
I
just
guess
don't
my
come
mother,
to
I guess my mother, just watch it. No, that will be asked. No, nobody asks me. No question, nobody question.
Yeah, man,
Like.
so
But that's,
yeah.
no, but that's no, but that's not gonna make that like
Yeah.
one that person.
Or what question you wish people would ask you less?
Less.
Yes.
Let's.
Yeah.
Yeah, cheat.
Gachi, what you would have said?
In general, I said,
Yeah.
In general, not a
Yeah,
relationship.
You have money.
Your money? Which people would have wait, explain it. Which
Yeah,
people would have
remember
asked you
after-
less?
Yeah, like
If you have money.
You have money, dog. You have money. You see me?
You want them ask me, you want them ask me
Let ask
Oh.
Lex if me have money. You get
What
me?
you would have said?
when this a person here there, yeah, that's one of the mean one. When this a person there, it always be somebody. Like me is a single child. Stop asking about people in a smooth. It stress me. So me have so many things to do in a life right now. They can unnecessary question and it mash me up. Like when a person leave me, just get to it. Yeah.
Alright. So if you and your partner should agree to do a three-way, who makes the decision and who should be invited?
Woman. Come on, I do it, you know. Woman, I got it. Better safe than sorry.
Shame, I forget that shit.
Yeah, for that. Me not even bring it
Me I
up.
say more G, so I probably outside, but I will see that.
What's it, a cheat?
Yeah.
Yeah. Basically.
Basically, yeah, if me want that, chew it.
Yeah. If man want
You
it.
see me?
Man ain't say want
You see
it.
me?
If he meant say
Okay,
yes.
if you want
If
to.
you want to cheat.
Okay. Lindsay, who makes the decision?
Woman, I forgot my decision.
Alright, so you see your female have to make the decision?
I think that I would want to have a say.
Okay.
Not make the try, but have a say.
So let's be honest with me now.
Cause me, you know why me wouldn't want she to make the decision, she don't want a me.
Oh,
And what you say?
Yeah, see me?
That's why I say more have a say.
Woman, I forgot my decision.
So you stick to your answer. So them did
Yeah,
I
better
like
see if that's
all
sorry.
Yeah,
Yeah.
me don't like
So what did I like all of them? Alright.
Better see if that's sorry, Jay.
So your female make a decision and she say a male. Are you okay with that? So
Yo, what I say to the chest, my dog?
but you gave her the right.
Chick box.
So, should I, listen, she's
Ghana.
making the decision, right?
Yeah.
She said, yes, you want a three-way.
Yeah. She can suggest it.
She can suggest it.
Yeah.
She said, okay, want an next meal. No, I'm out of it.
Yeah.
That is it.
But you agreed.
Agree to
You
what?
agree.
Didn't you agree to
Agree
do the
to
three-way?
for her to bring up the.
No, the
Referee?
first question was
Yeah.
if we no agree on doing it, right? And get
Without a meal.
Without a meal?
Without a meal.
So you're saying that you want to make the decision then?
Hmm?
So you're saying you want to make
Yeah,
the
just put a bit of
decision?
lie in, bro.
As I said before,
But we just like
You want to go like
that.
you want to go around.
Yeah, like you want to slide that.
I'm sticking to this.
So your female make the decision?
Yeah, what you have to make, what you have to make.
Exactly, so when the decision made.
Yeah.
So you're saying that you want her to say a particular thing then?
Yeah.
Stick
So you want, so why not just make the decision and
Stick
done?
females
Yeah,
only. Yeah,
stick to a
So
female.
why not you make the decision and done?
What?
Why not you make the
No,
decision?
I'm good, man.
So so afraid of me.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Master, we want
But I
peace.
want to see we see tough.
That's
Yeah,
problem.
see me? Yes, we see we tough. We love woman, man. We don't want to
It was nice talking to you boys. I really appreciate it. One question before you guys leave. Like mentally, how are you guys doing?
I'm good.
Mentally, we alright. Mentally stable.
That's why I say, yo, it's good when a girl can
Mentally
answer.
stable, right? Alright.
You good?
Yeah, man.
For now.
You guys been through a lot.
Pray me a
See
prayer.
me, food opinion different from ours. You see me?
And take time with it. Understand, man, how function. Please, my baby.
I'm man, you're man, you're a man.
So we have a compromise in our relationship, right?
It's
So
important.
compromise and communication work hand in hand, and I just hope say, you know, you guys when you watch the video, when you really twist what them say, try to understand what them say, and also we have to try to understand we just like how
We need to.
Yeah,
Of
we
course,
have to
we need to.
understand we just like how we don't want to understand, you know, and stuff
You
like
feel
that.
like if we never understand and we never know, so we must tell lies sometimes. If we understand, if we
Me
never
and I go back on that they talking there. I'm happy so in one good space right now, and I'm happy so you could have come share on the experience and stuff when you go through.
we feel like we are going to be the national hero when we sing God the girls.
We make some good points.
Yeah, man. Ah, they nigga organic, man. Yeah.
Me never
We
see
having it.
and everything on the say, but you see eye to eye with, but as me say, I am not here to
Yeah,
judge you guys. Me just want to hear one and come from and stuff like that. But I'm not going to say anything. I just want to feel.
See if you look at everything we say me at that word. So me safe.
Yeah.
No, we really trying to do perfect. At least I'll be a pretending that.
No, that's not healthy.
That is, you see?
Yeah.
Yeah. So guys, this is the end of the video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for trod the journey with me. Road to 100,000 subscribers. I love you guys. Bye.